Or gradient. Then what is the gradient? The gradient of a graph is a measure of its steepness. It can be calculated by dividing the difference in the y coordinates by the difference in the x coordinates of 2 points on a line. Also, we can look at it with this formula. Okay, the rise is on the y-axis and the run is on the x-axis. And then the y-intercept is C, is where the graph is going to intercept the y-axis. Here we have also x-intercept, but it's not stated there in our linear function. Just to know, if we talk about the x-intercept, it is there when the graph cuts the x-axis. But in the formula, we only use C is or y-intercept. That would be 2 in that case. Okay, so let's go and work out our gradient. Okay, so let's work out the gradient. What I like to do, if I choose my two spots, I like to label them kind of like A and B. Let's say this one is A, and then our other one can make that B. Where can we choose? Let's choose this one. Okay, B. Okay, you can use numbers also like 0.1 and 0.2, but the coordinates is also going to be numbers, so that can be a bit confusing. So A's coordinates, let's see, it is -3, ah, -3, 5. Okay, and B's coordinates is -1, 3. Okay, so there we have all points. Now we can go and substitute it into our equation. M equals the rise, the y coordinate, and the run, the x coordinate. So we're going to take, so now we're going to substitute it in. You can either write it kind of like this, yb minus ya. So it's the y coordinate of b minus the y coordinate of a, and then the bx coordinate minus x. So I actually want to make it kind of a subscript there. Okay, now I can go substitute it in. What is my y? B coordinate, it is 3 minus my ya coordinate. Oh my goodness, my minus is huge. Okay, and then my x coordinate, it is -1. And then my x coordinate of a minus -3. Okay, so now, okay, 3 minus 5 will give me -2, and then -1. Let's first simplify this. This two negatives is like a -1. It's going to be times the -3, so it will be -1 plus 3. Okay, so then it will be -2 over 2, and we can simplify it more. That will be -1. Yay! There we have our gradient. And we can also check ourselves, because we see that this line is going this way. It's going from high to low. So that makes sense that the gradient is negative, because it looks like this. So please like, comment, what are you struggling with? What video do you want to see next, or what question or equation do you want to see next? And then I also put like a little freebie in the chat. It's kind of like a planner if you want to get a little bit more organized for your exams. And then there is also different types of freebies if you want to check them out. Link would be in the comments. Have a nice day.